Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Volkswagen Transporter panel van Highline. It comes with the 2-litre diesel engine and offers the manual transmission. It's also finished in the deep black metallic paintwork. Taking a look at some of your exterior features, on the front you'll find your headlight unit with the automatic activation for brilliant visibility. It also comes with a great styling of the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels finished in silver. And around to the rear you'll find parking sensors which are also located on the front to aid when manoeuvring. Into the rear space you've got the tailgate allowing easy access as well as a slide-in side door at the back. Lashing rings on the floor for load restraint as well as the full ply lining. Making our way into the front, on the door card you'll find the electric windows and electrically adjustable door mirror controls. Your lights are just down to the right behind the steering wheel, and in the front you'll find the lovely cloth upholstery with the driver armrest and manual adjustment. On the steering wheel you'll find the cruise control and speed limiter with the volume functions via media. You've also got next and back buttons for the media system and some controls for the digital screen within the cockpit. Taking a look at this, you can view your assist systems, audio, telephone connectivity, vehicle status and driving data. Onto the main media system, under radio you'll find AM, FM and DAB offering stations from all across the country. You've also got an SD card reader, USB connectivity and Bluetooth audio, which does also double for hands-free calling to keep you connected. App Connect allows for smartphone integration via USB, so you can actually use some applications through the screen, whether that be personal media streaming or satellite navigation. Front and rear parking sensors do also provide a diagram on screen so you can see exactly where obstructions are when you manoeuvre. Moving down from here you'll find the climate controls as well as a heated windscreen there to the right. Further back you'll find the 5-speed and manual gear stick, and down to the side you will find a 12-volt cup holder space and 2 USB-C connections. For more information visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.